Hol a maszkod?
The rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more than the minimum. Rock to the rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more.
Hey, yo, wake up, it's a new day now. Sidestep, right, left, move when I break down. How I get down, make them all sit down. Either that or have them hurry and to skip town. Feed your ears with the snares and the kicks pound. Always chew it up, but have to watch where I bit down. Try to navigate your way through this thick sound. It's big oak, duck and cover when I spit round.
Me after the show, I breathe for a pit stop. Surrounded by chicks who don't listen to hip-hop. What they do now, I'm sorta like a missionary, getting every word into every herd. It may sound absurd, but I don't ever, never not wanna feel this way that I feel. So catch the vibe and let down your guard, and let's make it capsize. We rock it so hard.
Rock to the rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more than the minimum. Rock to the rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more. Rock to the rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more than the minimum. Rock to the rhythm with them, got to give it to them, got to give a lot more.
Yo, come follow me as I work with a simple plan. Cut out the top and the bottom plus the middle man. It's kinda stressful trying to figure out this riddle, and honey said I'm looking pale and need a little tan. But that's because I've been behind closed doors trying to make these songs for ya and not do wrong or ya might be inclined to jump on the next wagon that's filled with young bucks who still keep their pants sagging. Yeah, I'm feeling old, but still play truth or dare. Been doing this since MF2 wanted more facial hair. Yep, a seasoned man in the game, and on the microphone you got to give it to him.
I don't give a damn about your man, so I don't understand why you try to shake hands like it's cool. Cause see, for me and my band and the height that we stand, we can see you must feel like a fool. Cause you can't bend the rules, you gotta break them in half. Like I did to everything that tried to clutter my path. Fuck a flag, put an L on the mask. It seems the fool must have forgot how to laugh.